measures 40 centimeters at the center point.
And the rust penetration is nearly complete around the pillars.
95% oxidation on the rear quarter panel.
Confirmed. Reading consistent deformation levels at the frame intersection.
I'm marking the scabbing rust flakes near the lower hinge mount.
Confirmed. The corrosion pathways extend past the B-pillar alignment.
Check the alignment distortion here on the rear door.
Measuring 98 millimeters. Rust penetration is maximum.
Confirmed. Recording the data now.
Let's outline the support positions with the yellow grid.
Vector 7 confirms the soil saturation levels.
Agreed. We need to adjust the primary lift point here.
Marking the secondary support angle now. The primary load is centered here on the A pillar.
Confirmed. We need to extend the grid to capture the soil displacement.
The compression fold here at the A pillar is severe.
I'm marking the soil zones now. The pressure distribution is uneven.
Ensure the perimeter is clear before we lift. All markers are set.
Keep the tension steady.
Clear on this side.
All clear, suspend the tree. Tension is good on strap 3.
Confirmed. Slow lift initiated.
Clear on the undercarriage.
Hold it steady. We are aligned. Drop another 2 inches, very slowly. Watch the left strap there, near the wheel.
Look steady. Keep the speed down.
Convoy, approaching main highway in 5 minutes. Maintain current speed.
Driver, this is the trail vehicle. Maintain current speed, the merge looks clear. Load stability confirmed. Approaching checkpoint.
Proceed to staging lane 3.
Watch the overhead clearance. All right, easy now. Hold it right there.
Confirmed lift sequence initiated. All green on stability.
Hold position while the truck moves out.
We have contact on the rear wheels.
Confirmed. Tension release initiated.
Confirmed. Rear straps disconnected.
Stability check complete. No movement detected.
Depth of this corrosion.
It's deeper than the initial assessment. Note the vine encroachment here.
Hold it there. We've got clearance on this side. Guide rails are locked in position.
All green for the wash bay transfer.
Okay, I'm marking the anchor point now.
Confirmed. We'll start the straightening procedure there.
Log the coordinates.
It's within tolerance. Lock the clamps.
Clamps secured.
Torque set.
Alignment is stable. Delta reading is within tolerance.
Noted. Logging stabilization complete.
Subframe alignment confirmed at point 02.
Noted. The mounts are secure.
Reading is stable.
Confirmed. Logging it.
Got it. Bring it over to the rack.
The alignment is within tolerance.
Logging the new values now.
All right, she's free. Bring the lift back slowly. Copy that. Making sure we clear the mounting points. Watch your spacing on the rack. Gentle now.
That bolt is completely seized.
Try the impact wrench gently.
Okay, it's loose now. Let's lift.
Okay, power down. This section is ready. Looking consistent on the rear panel.
Let's get the camera for the readings.
Careful with the intake runners. Make sure they're labeled correctly.
Got it. Number 3 coil pack is secure. Looks like the gasket is completely shot here.
Given the sanding results. Make sure it's labeled correctly.
Documenting the roof structure. Stress fractures visible around the center brace. Noted.
Check the depth on the rear panel.
Ensure the gaskets are seated correctly before torquing.
Checked. Moving to bank 2 now.
That's much better. The haze is gone.
Yeah, the finishing polish really brought it out. We can wipe it now. Look at these sanding marks. The reflection is still uneven.
Noted. We'll refine that section next.
Okay, bring it down slowly. Watch the clearance on the left.
A little to the right, steady now, looks good.
Confirmed, it's seated.
MAP sensor connected. Ignition coil secured. Ground straps tightened to spec.
Set torque to 10 Newton meters.
Continuity confirmed. Technicians rebuild the cooling system by installing a replacement radiator, securing it to
Aligning the gasket now.
Okay, I'll start the sequence. Torque to spec. Pressure is holding at 50 PSI. We're good to go. Pressure is holding at 50 PSI. We're good to go.
Pressure's up, 75 PSI.
Looks good. Stabilize at 1,000.
Thermostat open right on schedule.
Gauge is holding steady at 195, no signs of overheating.
Good. Coolant pressure checked out, no leaks confirmed.
Pass the heat cycle without leaks.
Look at the pitting on this control arm.
We can't salvage the ball joint either. It's totally shot.
We'll need to order new assemblies for the front.
Aligning the upper mount, ensure the spring is seated.
Looks correct. Torque the lower bolts to spec.
Torquing now, checking rebound.
Confirm stable movement.
Okay, the new master cylinder is seated. I'm running the new lines now, making sure they clear the subframe. Good, torque them to spec.
Okay, pump it up. Got it.
Torque is good here, nice and tight.
We're showing high resistance here. We've got significant degradation on the firewall pass-through.
The continuity test. Continuity check on the main bus, confirm voltage.
Steady 12 volts. All circuits nominal.
We need to maintain the OEM spacing on these ties.
Agreed. Keep the runs perfectly parallel here.
Slow and steady now. How's the rear alignment looking? Looks good. We are clear on this side. Keep it rolling steady. Chocks are set. Right on the line, looks good.